Hi everyone, Soda Railway Studios here, and welcome to another Thomas & Friends 2026 unboxing and review. This time we're going to be looking at the new 2026 Rosie diecast model. As you know, the last time I did one of these, I did one for Oliver and Toad. And today I was out shopping and I saw Rosie and I decided to get her. So yeah, not really that much to say. But yeah, I'm gonna unbox her off screen, and then after I've done that, I will do the review. So yeah, bear with me a minute, guys. So here is the 2026 diecast Rosie out of the box, and there's the box now, in case you were wondering what it was going to look like. Now, might as well have a review of it now. So first impressions, I will admit I was a bit iffy on the face when I first saw the model, because I think the expression itself is fine, but the eyebrows really made me a bit questionable, because when I looked at the picture on the box artwork, I was like, oh god, this is not Rosie. But I think on the actual model it's not as bad, but like I said, the eyebrows are definitely going to take a lot of getting used to. Because I know, I think some people said this. I know, I believe Trevor Davis said this as well. Rest in peace, by the way. I think he said that the eyebrows made her look a bit like the Helga from Hey Arnold, which I can kind of see the comparison. And this fun fact also, this is the first Rosie model I own that actually has her red livery. Because I don't own the Trackmaster Push-Along Rosie, and I probably won't get it, considering I'm not a Trackmaster Push-Along guy. I do like how they've kept her details from when she got repainted, like the NWR logo and the number 37. But like I say, the face is alright. I think the expression looks decent at best, but I have no idea why they gave her such thick eyebrows, because like I said, they're definitely going to need some getting used to. There's a tail lamp on the back, which is quite an interesting detail, because I might be wrong, but I don't think Rosie had a tail lamp for the longest time. I know she had one in seasons 10 and 11, but then for some reason they got rid of it in season 12. Actually, I can't remember. Did she have a tail lamp back in the CGI series? I can't remember. I know she did get given this lamp in when was it, in season 17 in Percy's Lucky Day. Which is what actually these are, no, those are just her pistons. I thought she had another lamp on her running board or something, but no, those are just her pistons. The domes look decent. The tanks look fine. That's the bottom, in case you're wondering. I only just noticed now, you can barely see it, but they do actually write the characters' names on the bottom of the undercarriages, but you can barely read them. It barely comes up on camera, but you can actually see, if you look closely, they do actually have the characters' names on the bottom of the undercarriages. But it's written in black. Not quite sure why they couldn't do it in white, like the Take Along and other original Take and Play ones did, but never mind. Speaking of Take Along, I think we might as well compare. For some reason I didn't do this with Oliver and Toad, but I think I might as well do this with Rosie now. I'm going to compare her to the original, another Rosie I've got. So this is the original Take Along Rosie from, I think, 2007. Yeah, it would have been 2007. So it's crazy to think. So these two models here are almost 20 years apart, which is crazy. So let's compare the sizes, first of all. So, well, oh. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. Maybe I shouldn't film. Maybe I shouldn't put the models on top of my laptop for next time. Anyway, so as I was saying, the size, I think in general the size is all right, but the faces are definitely, the face on the take along one is much higher than on the new diecast one, the Metal Collection, I believe that the merchandise is actually called officially. And obviously the very big difference is the color, because obviously this one is pink / lavender and this one's red. Because obviously Rosie wasn't red around this time. She'd just been introduced around this time. This one is obviously based on the model series, this one's based on the new 2026 series that's coming out. The magnets are obviously different. Let's have a look on the sides. Oh, okay, so they do connect, just. I don't think I've actually tested that yet. Obviously the tanks on the new Metal Collection one, the tanks are a lot more stretched out, I guess, whereas this one, they push them in a bit. This one has a slight C in cab, whereas this one doesn't, unfortunately. The backs, I think, are mostly the same, except for, I think, a slight height difference, and there's a tail lamp molded on here. Not quite sure that's not painted on, but not quite sure why that's not painted on, but it's Mattel merchandise for you, or diecast merchandise in general, and they don't tend to paint details on. Anyway, and then also, of course, the take along one doesn't have the lamp on the funnel, whereas this one does. But yeah. I do like how I think this diecast model of Rosie, I think, might look slightly more accurate to her basis. Could be wrong, but I think it probably is slightly more accurate to her basis. Oh, hang on. Are there cab windows on the back? No. There are cab windows on the back of the take along one, but for some reason it's just the outline, so they're not really painted. It's a bit weird, but never mind. So that's the two Rosies. I think we might as well compare it to. We'll look at Oliver as well. So I've just noticed, I think Oliver's slightly taller than Rosie, actually. Or maybe it's just the funnels, I think, and the faces, the smoke boxes. Yeah. No, stay there, Oliver. You're not meant to be escaping now. You escaped before, but I don't want you to escape now. Actually, I'll put you next to Toad. Anyway, so that's basically it for my review of the new 2026 diecast Rosie. Whether or not I'll get more diecast in the future, I'm not quite sure. I might well do, but we'll just have to wait and see, because I know Rheneas got leaked recently, so I might get my hands on him when he gets released. And I might also get not quite sure who else. I mean, I might want to get Henry at some point, because he's my favorite character. So, and, other characters, maybe Duck, but at the same time, as I mentioned before, I'm not quite sure about Duck. And then might get the Thomas with Annie and Percy with Clarabelle 2-packs, but I'm still debating on those. Anyway, thank you all for watching. See you in the next video, and goodbye for now.